10 Surprising Health Benefits of Cranberry. Resveratrol can help women with polycystic ovary syndrome lower their risks of hormone dysfunction. Polycystic ovary disorder is a common endocrine disorder that only impacts females. It affects severe hormone instability. Irregular menstruation, acne, hair development, and gaining weight are all symptoms of this condition. PCOS can be diagnosed and treated properly to avoid diabetes, overweight, and other cardiac issues. The existence of tiny fluid-filled follicles in one or both ovaries is yet another indication that identifies this illness. 1. Cranberries may assist to avoid certain cancers. Cranberry phytochemicals have been shown in studies to inhibit tumor development in several regions of the brain, such as the chest, colon, prostate, and pulmonary. Oligomers, flavonol, triterpenes, and anthocyanin glycosides are among such phytonutrients. Another study looked into the relation between proanthocyanin extract and cancerous cells inhibition in various regions of the body. According to one research, this extraction inhibits the proliferation of lung tumors, colon cancer cells, and leukemia cells. It has even been shown to have a beneficial impact on tumor cells. 2. Cranberries are high in flavonoids, which are beneficial to the heart system. Cranberries have proven to be extremely beneficial to the majority of people. These have a healthful and beneficial effect on blood sugar, and metabolic syndrome. Cranberries are a less-calorie fruit with a high water content of 90%. As a result, higher anthocyanin consumption was connected to lower BP and LDL cholesterol concentrations. The effect of various flavonoid molecules on cardiac disorders was investigated in research. Lipoproteins, cholesterol, and stream constriction were all taken into account. 3. Cranberries phytochemicals help to improve oral hygiene. For most people, oral health is one of the more overlooked elements of their lives. Dental caries, poor smell, and good gums are all benefits of having a healthy oral. Because it is the greatest delicate and vulnerable region of your body, it requires special attention to avoid infections that could spread throughout the rest of the body. Oral cancer, diabetes, HIV, and some bone loss illnesses are just a few of the chronic illnesses that can spread through the mouths. 4. Cranberries include an anthocyanin component that lowers blood pressure. Despite showing to be useful for urinary tract diseases, cranberries are most well known for their ability to lower hypertension. Nothing compares the wellness potency of anthocyanin in cranberries if you have aberrant blood pressure measurements that range from too high to too low. In normal people, it lowers muscle strength and regulates central pulse rate. An increased dietary intake of anthocyanin can lower central systolic and diastolic blood pressure, average respiratory rate, and pulse average velocity. 5. Cranberry juice aids in the prevention of urinary infections. Cranberries play an essential role in reducing the risk of infections, UTIs, due to their high acid and proanthocyanidins, POCs. POCs are a unique group of flavonoids chemicals found in large quantities in cranberry sauce. Cranberry juice contains chemicals that decrease fimbria's capacity to recruit urinary tract cells. This would not result in fast pathogenic bacteria, which is the cause of UTI. A urinary disease is an illness that affects the kidney, urine, or urethral and can be self-diagnosed. This can progress to more serious diseases in the kidney, producing pelvic pain, nausea, trouble urinating, and fever if untreated. Avoiding and curing bladder infections requires a great deal of medicine and healthcare treatment, particularly for women, as they are more prevalent in females than in males. 6. Cranberries are high in vitamin K, which helps to prevent age-related diseases. There are numerous maturity disorders, thus certain vitamins are necessary to ensure a healthy aging process. Cranberries, for example, are high in Vit K, which supports healthy aging, according to research. According to one study, long-term VK and selenium insufficiency can cause multivitamin loss, leading to serious age-related disorders in both males and females. 7. Cranberries provide significant cognitive benefits to Alzheimer's patients. Decreased brain activity is a hallmark of Alzheimer's, which is caused by injured and diseased brain cell lines. It frequently results in dementia, memory problems, and aberrant communication skills, among other things. When aberrant protein building enters the brain, chronic inflammation, resulting in a blockage among both the correct blood and the central nervous system. As a result, the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease are exacerbated. Resveratrol boosts the mind's immunological response, preventing concussive blows to the immunological molecules from killing good cells. 8. Cranberries contain vitamin E, which may assist families with diabetic disorder. Hypertension, high cholesterol, increased fat percentage, and high blood sugar levels are all symptoms of cardiovascular disease. All of these major variables contribute to metabolic syndrome, which can lead to cardiovascular disease and an increased risk of diabetes. Vitamin E has been identified as the major mediator for detecting and reducing metabolic syndrome, according to a recent study. The study found that persons with metabolic syndrome require higher vitamin E doses for protective immunity. Diabetes mellitus can be caused by a variety of reasons. The way your digestive tract works is affected by an unsustainable diet. This has an impact on how your body breaks down meals into sugar in order to improve uptake and metabolic. 9. Cranberry juice helps to prevent stomach ulcers. Severe abdominal discomfort is a common symptom of gastric infections. It could also cause headaches, digestion problems, and discomfort. A study of 189 persons with Helicobacter pylori infection found that increasing cranberry juice consumption reduces the severity of the disease in the majority of cases. Gastrointestinal ulcers are more prevalent in persons over 60, but they can also happen in children and early adults. 10. Conclusion. I've mentioned a multitude of implications why you need more cranberries in your lives, whether you have few other health difficulties or nothing at all. Or why you must not immediately give up on identity or wellness. The majority of people associate cranberries with improved metabolism and the therapy of urinary tract diseases.
A healthful and reasonable cranberry diet will help you achieve your fitness goals. All you must do is start stockpiling on dried cranberries to stay you weeks and incorporate them into your everyday meals in a variety of ways.